I can't believe this happened. What a disappointment.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Country Boy. Just want to make a little video about the phone. So I had the S26 Ultra, and I've had it now for about going on almost a month now. I upgraded from the S24 Ultra to S26, and so far the phone's pretty quick. I mean, it's a pretty fast phone. I like the speed of it. The battery does last a little bit longer in it. The one thing I hate about this phone is the S Pen. Samsung, why did y'all do that to the S Pen for real? Literally, the S Pen feels like one of those cheap pens from the cheap pens Dollar Tree. Um, every time I look at my phone, the S Pen's about to fall out. So Samsung, I don't know why y'all went there and put a Bluetooth S Pen for. Biggest fail right there. Now I have to literally Coke Zero. I literally got to sit there and check my phone to make sure the S Pen didn't fall out. And besides that, I mean, the privacy screen is dope. Um, all around speed of the phone is dope. I got the S26 Ultra, the terabyte one, because I do a lot of stuff with the business on the phone, photography and everything on there. But I have to say, I'm very, very, very disappointed in Samsung and the S Pen. I didn't upgrade to the S25. I waited because when I was watching some of the reviews and videos of the S25 Ultra versus the 24, it wasn't much of a difference to really upgrade. But as far as the upgrade so far, I mean, it's not bad. There's a lot of things that Samsung could do better. I mean, you had a MagSafe in the phone. I shouldn't have spent an extra $30, $40 for a case to have a MagSafe ability. Another thing is the S Pen. Y'all dirty for that. Y'all dirty for that. I mean, why is it that all these other phones out there have fast charging, better battery, bigger battery? That's the Samsung. So for the S27, you need to make the battery at least a 6,000 to 7,000 milliamp battery. 2, you need to bring back the Bluetooth S Pen, make it look more heavier, a little more premium. 3, make the phone a little bit more heavier, make it more premium. Just for the Ultra. You know what I'm saying? You need to start competing better with these other companies. But other than that, the phone's a decent phone. I like it. But besides the S Pen, I have to double check that, make sure it doesn't fall out. And also, too, you gotta make sure it's in there the proper right way for it to be flush. But besides that, Samsung, if you hear this, you see this video, I'm pretty sure you got many complaints about the S Pen. Fix it. Start listening to your users. I've had Samsung for forever. I think since like '07 I had Samsung phone. It's like y'all tend to do something amazing and then y'all step back.